update on the project truck that nobody asked for. What we have here is, focus, focus, focus. I got the brackets mounted for the bench seat. Yes, I had to extend the bracket because of this hump and everything. Welded in a fastener there and all that good stuff. And I was fixing to record, except for the fact main camera battery died. So I'm waiting for the batteries to charge, and then I will continue on progress, and then there will eventually be a video in the near future. My seat don't rock around anymore. I'm happy. It does flex a little bit. I'll fix that.